You are an enthusiastic dog owner and you want to take your dog out.
Come on, boy, let's go out. Let's go.
But your dog doesn't seem to like this idea.
Let's go. We haven't been here for 2 days. You need to go to the toilet.
Whatever you say, it seems he just likes to read his newspaper. You seem despair.
Your dog is really active. He wants you to take him out for a walk.
No, leave me alone, buddy. Get out!
He's all over the place, but you leave the leash on the table and you're on your mobile phone. Now he wants with the car.
I said no. I said no. I said no. Get out!
He's all over the place. He's probably kicking you a bit. And he's so depressed. What can you do as an owner? But what can you do right now? What is the solution to the problem of the owner? This is the ultimate pet lamp. This is an exciting new product for you that you don't have really much time for your dog, or your dog doesn't have very much time for you. It's a simple friend. He doesn't want very much. He do whatever you like. He is the pet lamp. Right now you have the exciting new product, the pet lamp. You can do all stuff you want.
Do you want to go outside? Certainly no.
You can play on your phone. You can check Facebook. He doesn't ask anything.
Do you want to look around? No.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Your new best friend, the pet lamp.
We have a new friend, but this friend is only mine. Go and leave. You have a long walk to take.
I'm sure he didn't like that.
You can be happy again. You can take your dog for a walk. Finally, he's really active right now. Or not at all. Whatever you like. You are happily tossing him around. He can do juggling. He can do acrobatics. He is the pet lamp with a nice face. You can kiss him. He's the real deal. Pet lamp. The best friend you will ever had. The absolute thing you will ever need. Pet lamp.